Good morning. Well, I left Ebor probably, good 2.5 hours ago. Had a great stay there at the pub, great feed and everything, so that was good. So I got back on trail after my diversion to Armidale to get new tyres. So now I've come out on the trail from Ebor, but as a cyclist it recommends you go this way round Hardens, Dalmorton, on like the Killarney road, don't know how you pronounce it, and then rejoin the trail just after the Boyd River. So yeah, onwards and upwards, getting closer to Queensland. Woo. Just gonna come down and grab 2 litres of water, just in case I actually don't get to the campground tonight, which is highly possible, because it's been a lot slower than I was hoping. Alright. Might be a bit like yesterday's lookout. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, you can see a bit, but not very clear. So that's Guy Fawkes National Park over there. That's where you'd go if you were on horseback. Didn't make it to the camp tonight, so I've literally, another one of those side things the diggers dig out. It's not terribly flat, and it's just about to rain. It'll do. It will do. It's all wet anyway. Very wet, miserable morning. Rained pretty much all night, even though it wasn't mega heavy. So I'll get to Dalmorton first, and then I'm going to try and get onto Newton Boyd. There's a national trail camp. I'm just here pushing up yet another hill. I think it's quite funny when I was speaking to the ranger yesterday. Oh yeah, Dalmorton, yes, mainly downhill, pretty much downhill. Clearly has never walked or ridden. It's only ever been in a vehicle. Different perspective. Oh, and that's my belly rumbling. I'm sure in a car it really doesn't feel like there's any hills. Oh dear. It's beautiful though. It is beautiful. Listen, it's just so quiet. Love how the clouds rise out of the trees. This is Dalmorton. It was where I was, I'd hoped to get to, but that was, yeah. Even yesterday I stopped cycling just after 3:30. This was another 3 hours. I think I know it's the old Glen Innes road, but I think it's like Grafton to Glen Innes. And I think Glen Innes from here, Dalmorton's about 112 kilometres. Cool old road this. We've even got a tunnel. How cool is that? Whee! Uh-oh, puddle. Oh, I wonder how deep it is. Can't even see. Oh my goodness. Let's try this way because I really no clue how deep it is. Oh, bugger. Actually, not too bad. Oh, there it goes down a bit. Clunky, clunky. Whoa. Oh my, I got through without even getting my feet wet. Well, I arrived here. I think it's Newton Boyd. It's the old rodeo place. So not a lot here, and sadly there must be a side shoot of the Boyd River that runs right here, and the water is, let's just say, none too desirable. I have I filtered it through cloth. I put tablets in it. I put it through the filter itself, and then I boiled the crap out of it. And tonight's location. I'll have you know. The bike in the way to stop the cows coming in, hopefully. Just enough room. I can't obviously put the outer of the tent on, but then I've got a roof, which hopefully is pretty, might leak over there. But look, table. What more do you need? I could do with some nice water though. Yeah, anyway. We won't go there. It's what you've got. I should have picked it up on the way. The things we do, hey? Good morning. Just left Newton Boyd. It was actually, for the little shed thing it was great. Managed to get things a bit dry because they were soaking yesterday. And yeah, good morning. I'm not really sure where I'm going to get to today. Yeah, yesterday was hard. Oh, I guess it's just the gravel. It's not as quick, is it? And when you go on bitumen for a few days, I think you get a bit used to the bitumen being so easy. Anyway, let's see where we get to and just enjoy it. Stop for a snack. Oh wow, lots of water. This is the most water I've seen in the river for a while. Always good to look back, see where you've come from. Oh, afternoon. Well, I actually got to, this is the Man River campsite. I got here probably 11:45. Mind you, I've been going since 6:30, and I should have climbed up over the range, but it was quite warm, and this campsite just blew me away. And I just thought, I need to rinse some clothes and I was a bit tired, so I stopped early, I'm just hoping that Robin gets my message to book the campsite. Because there's no internet here, so how can you book? Oh. It reminds me of Girraween. And I suppose in a sense it's actually not that far. Hello, gorgeous. Did you come up here to see me? You did it very quietly. I didn't know you were there. Hey, aren't you beautiful? Hello. Hey? You're a bit cheeky, aren't you? Hmm? No. Don't you try and eat my dinner. Would you believe it? My frickin' pack is broken. The straps come out. Alright. Let's have a zip tie emergency. Alton goods, I really do need a new pack. Let's hope that holds. And I've just noticed the other side's doing exactly the same, so I'll find 2 more zip ties and try and do that one. After the big climb this morning, and this Glen Elgin Road is quite beautiful. I swear, with the end of the day, you think you're nearly done. Okay, Gibraltar Range, the summit, 1100 metres. So, I was on the trail at Boundary Falls campground, and for the last few days I've been trying to get hold of people. A few have responded for permissions to go through, but there are 7 lock gates in the next few maps, and I haven't got one code. Not one code. I've tried calling numbers, sometimes they're not there. I've left messages, but then I've had no phone reception. So like this morning I just bit the bullet and said no, I am not getting halfway down there. As it was, I had to lift my bike over 2 gates yesterday. And I just went with my gut instinct. I'm going to go round to Killarney. Even if I rejoin a bit further along where there are no more gate codes, but that is just the one thing that drives me bonkers. Yeah, anyway. So I'm going round. I don't quite know what yet, because I still don't have any internet or phone receptions. I'm hoping to get some signal soon. Anyway, let's see how this day goes. Heffron's Lookout on the Gwyder Highway. Oh, I did 61.5 kilometres, and I was a bit tired, so I found this location. I got a bridge, go, but the best thing is here's the creek. I've got water. I've just pulled up because there's just no campsites, not for ages. I hope to get to somewhere tomorrow with a proper camp. But it's a pretty beautiful spot. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. Sun's not long risen. Oh, hills already. Beautiful morning. The hallucinations have started. I'm hallucinating about avocado, halloumi, eggs, mushrooms. Oh, like a nice big breakfast. Oh. And I don't know when I'm gonna get one. Oh dear. Just picked up some water from the Clarence. About to go over the bridge again. I'd like to stop, but I'm really trying to get to Killarney. I thought I was going to get to Killarney yesterday, but it was a lot more than, always is. But I think it's only about 40 kilometres today. But I'm hoping they let me across the border. Because I stink. I'm grubby. Very grubby. My pants and that are disgusting. Covered in mud. I haven't had a shower for a week and a couple of days. And my clothes haven't been washed since Armadale. Let's see how it goes. Probably a bit of rainforest. Queensland's going to greet me with beautiful weather. I've even seen the giant stinging trees. Look, even got Brisbane on side. Alright, Killarney, come on, cousin. Bit excited. I think that's going to be the Queensland sign. Maybe. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think it is. Let me see, maybe not. Whew. So many hills today. A little stop. Well, apparently that was it. I thought it'd have a big welcome to Queensland sign, but it didn't. Oh god, that was hilarious. I'm in Queensland. Wow. Oh, didn't think I'd get emotional, but I am. Yes, I did this much.